do is you want to end the job that's already in there by pushing job and then pushing end. That clears that job. So to start a new job, you want to go into job prep. It's a new job. Punch in your number. Hit enter. Hit enter. The date. Then the customer. Then you want to tell it how many sheets you're running. Then you're going to go into your presetting. You'll start with your sheet. You'll tell it the sheet size. Which is 24 by 36, 100 pound. Look. Then you want to set your front eyes on the feeder. Because there's a problem on the B side, we go to the small eyes. The control side is your side guide. We're going to run the operator side, which is the B side. Then we're going to go into my damp ink. With this unit here, we are going to turn on the delta, the water roller, and the ink ball.
We're not going to do integrated because there's not any big solids?
No, not for this one. And then we'll hit enter. Now I need to tell it which units I'm going to run. I like to keep the first 2 units with just pressure only to use as a duster. So I have 3, 4, 5, 6 and my coder all active. Hit enter. Then I'm going to go into my CCI. I'm going to measure the parameters. This is my color bar, the position of the strip, which is at the tail. Then down here you have the type of strip and the type of copy. We read screen bars. I like to refer to this as making it a nurse, switching it to a RN. These 2 units, these 3, we're not going to use, so I'm just going to clear it out. Hit enter. Now I'm going to change the plate and select the units I want to color. Black on number 3. Hit enter, move it over to where you want it. Blue on 2, yellow on 6. Hit enter. Nominal densities, we're running a dull sheet. So down in this blue window, you'll see the type of stocks that come up. There's your gloss.
Plus or minus to change that, right?
Plus or minus, we'll change that. There's your gloss, matte, offset. We want matte, hit enter. The zones are your ink keys. We are going to profile the plate. When you lay your plate on the press, you have 34 keys. When you look at your image, you can see the first 2 we're not using, there's nothing there. So to lock those off, you just hit the 0 button, go back to 0, and those 2 end zones are now locked off. This is the only phase you don't have to hit enter. Now we are going to go into my dampening and ink, and now we are going to profile the plates. So when you look at your image, I'm going to start off with a 40 in this area. I'll drop to a 25 here. I'll put this at a 55, and I'll put this at a 40. And to do that, right into this. To do that, we will go and look at our keys, which is going to start at number 11 through 18. So I'll just cursor over to number 11, hit the tab button, move the cursor to number 18, and hit the minus button to get the keys to where you would like them at, 25, enter. The next section where there's more, go up to 25, we want to bring that to a 55, hit enter, and the rest will leave at a 40. Now I can copy this to each unit, and to do that, I'm just gonna hit slides copy, hit enter, and arrow up or down to your next unit. Number 5, enter. Now the slides have changed. Go out of the window, open the window, hit enter, and follow the same procedure all the way through your units that you want to copy. That was number 4 to number 3. Close the window. The job is now profiled, ready to go. Hit the job button. You want to end your prep, hit the end. Close your job prep window. Now your job is in the production phase. You want to hit the process button to pull it up. Hit your make ready button. And right now the press is doing all the work for you. It's sizing up, getting ready for you to hang plates. And when you're ready to hang plates, you will go into the machine. You will arrow over to where it says changing plates. You will hit a plus. Put your units you want. Then you would hit the enter button. After you hang your plates, you'll come to your dampening ink button. Open up that window, and here you have your run-up position, a before zero position, an actual position, and a job position. Because this is a new job, you want to plus or minus get that window to the job, and then you would hit the work position. And right now all your fountains are being set to the way that you have profiled. You're now ready to hang plates. After hanging plates, you're ready to proceed and make a pull and start making ready the job.
Works.